Hello and welcome. We're thrilled you've joined us for this short tutorial on mastering IT asset management. Today, we'll show you how to achieve complete transparency and control over your systems, making every hardware and software detail visible and actionable. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just starting out, you're in the right place to learn practical strategies that streamline operations, reduce downtime, and boost efficiency. Let's dive in. Please note the following requirements. You'll need Auto Shutdown Manager Release 5.7.3 or later with an installed database. For a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to install the Auto Shutdown Manager server and connect it to a database, check out our other video. The link is in the description below. The best part is that asset management comes at no extra cost. It's included with your Auto Shutdown Manager server. First, activate the asset management functionality. To do this, open the Auto Shutdown Manager Management Console on your server, navigate to the Groups and Settings section, and select the PC group for which you want to enable it. When saving your changes, you can also choose additional or all groups. In the Settings details, select the Administration section and scroll down until you see the Activate Asset Management section. Check the Enable checkbox and save your changes. Once saved, the system will begin collecting client data as the clients reconnect to the server. Please note that this process may take up to 30 minutes, depending on the number of clients being managed. To view the collected data, open the Asset Management Overview. From there, you can filter the display to show only real, virtual, or all PCs. The Asset Management feature currently collects data across 12 key categories including installed software, Windows versions, PC models, CPUs, hard drives, monitors, video controllers, PC types, printers, motherboards, BIOS versions, and network adapters. Each category provides detailed insights, including installed drivers, driver versions, and many other pertinent details, to give you complete oversight of your IT assets. While the overview displays the 10 most frequently used assets from each category, selecting Full Report will allow you to view a comprehensive list of all assets within that category. For example, let's view the details for network adapters. In the left table, you can see all network adapters ordered by the number of devices present. On the right side, additional details are displayed, such as the manufacturer, the number of devices in use, and a list of all currently installed driver versions. In this example, we have 3 different driver versions across our clients. The Remarks section indicates that version 12.15 is causing numerous issues and should be urgently updated. But how do you find the PCs where this driver is installed? It couldn't be simpler. Just double-click on the 12.15 version number, and all related devices will be shown. Now you not only know which devices are problematic, but thanks to the Auto Shutdown Manager, you can immediately power them on, update the drivers, and shut them down again. This demonstration has shown you how to access and manage assets across all 12 categories. Additionally, you can also locate and manage assets for individual PCs. To do so, close the Asset Manager and open the Client Overview. Select the PC of interest and open its asset details by clicking the Asset Data icon. Alternatively, you can double-click the PC name or choose Client Assets from the context menu after right-clicking. This opens the Asset Details Manager, which is divided into 2 sections, Hardware and Software. Here, you can view detailed information for each category, including device versions, driver dates, serial numbers, and more. Each category contains data specific to that type of asset. Simply right-click on any asset detail to copy the information to your clipboard. In the Software section, you can browse and search for any relevant software packages installed on this PC. By right-clicking, you can also view all other PCs that have this software installed, or identify clients that don't. Click on Show Components to inspect the software components. These are not typical software packages, but rather hotfixes, add-ons, and critical updates. Identifying outdated or missing components is crucial for both security and efficient power consumption. But there's even more. Let's examine a real-life scenario. With the end of Windows 10 support, you may need to upgrade all existing Windows 10 PCs to Windows 11. Since Windows 11 requires a special security chip called the Trusted Platform Module, TPM, it's essential to identify which PCs lack TPM support and may need to be replaced. Having the Auto Shutdown Manager asset management in place makes this process very easy. First, click on Windows 10 in the Operating Systems category. This opens a client overview displaying all PCs with Windows 10 installed. In this example, 5 PCs were found. Finally, apply an asset filter to the resulting PCs. Click the filter drop-down arrow and select the TPM asset from the BIOS category. Then, type No and press Enter. That's how easily you identify the 4 candidates that need to be replaced, all PCs with Windows 10 installed that are missing a Trusted Platform Module and therefore won't be able to install the standard Windows 11 version. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this tutorial has given you valuable insights into using asset management in Auto Shutdown Manager. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. See you next time.